Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you will not miss a future video. Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid. A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille. What's up everyone, The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and this could be the last video of the BlindShell Classic 2. The reason why I'm saying this is because I have to return this phone very soon, so I have to end the session with these videos of the BlindShell Classic 2. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the device back to its default settings as it came out of the box. So maybe you want to do this if you want to sell it to someone, or maybe something's going wrong, just something along those lines.
One new notice call.
So now before you do this, make sure you back everything up. The memory card will not be affected. So once you do that,
Messages.
you go to settings,
Settings.
select.
Sounds.
Now it's in a very weird location.
About phone.
It's under About Phone. Why? I have no clue.
Software versions.
And we have software versions.
BlindShell Classic 2.
There's-
Internal storage. 5,994 megabytes free.
So it goes by
SD card.
megabytes,
Network
which is
details.
a little bit weird. Network details,
Service menu.
service menu,
Factory reset.
factory reset. We want to go to factory reset and select this.
Do you really want to perform factory reset? All data in your phone, except for memory card, will be lost.
Okay, so it's saying, are you sure you want to do this? Everything on your phone except for the memory card will be erased. So we want to continue.
Do you really want to perform this action?
And it's asking again, are you really sure about this? I'm going to select yes. And now it's doing its thing. So we will see what happens and see how it does it. Okay, it just vibrated once, which I guess means that it shut down. There it goes again.
Please wait. Performing factory reset.
Hello, eSpeak. And now it's doing these really weird vibration short moments. That's probably like a countdown thing.
The factory reset has been successful.
And then it did a double long vibration, which I guess means either A, starting up, or B, it shut down completely. All right, so now my honest review about this phone. I think it's a good starter for someone who is not familiar using a touchscreen phone and wants something simple. However, there isn't however, there is. It only works with T-Mobile as of now. Now, I'm not blaming BlindShell for this. It's because other phone carriers are not accepting this phone for whatever reason, like AT&T, on their phone carrier system thing. Why that is, I don't know, but I feel like they should, because not everyone has T-Mobile. And why have a different phone carrier when like a whole family is on AT&T, for instance, and this phone would be good for them to start out with, and they have to use T-Mobile? To me, it doesn't make sense. But I think it's an okay phone. It's not bad. There are some things that I don't like. Number one, when you use WhatsApp on there, even if you turn down the volume and it's not on speakerphone, it's very loud when people talk on there. Personally, I don't understand why that is. I have to hold the phone away from my ear like about a few inches. So that's one thing I don't like. Number two, I wasn't even able to test out the phone by calling someone and asking how it sounded. So there was no way of doing that because I didn't want to have my eardrums blasted from the WhatsApp quality. And number three, I don't know. It can be improved. There's a lot of improvements it can have, but obviously with every new device, there are some things that have to be improved regardless because it's a new device and it's probably not very new. And number four, the ability to have a password on this phone should be available. So if the update comes out after I return the phone with the passcode feature, then maybe that will be available, but I doubt it. So we'll see what happens. And the last one is, it'd be nice if you could have different notification sounds. So one for email, one for messaging, stuff like that, so you won't get confused. At least that's just me. Other than that, not bad. Not bad at all. But I feel like it should be available to other phone carriers so it can be used on those phone services. Other than that, not a bad phone. Not a bad phone at all. So I hope you all enjoyed this series of me reviewing the BlindShell Classic 2. And hopefully I can do more reviews on devices. We'll see what happens. And that's it for this series. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, you can send an email to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. Please note that the email may go in the junk or spam folder when I reply. You can also give a call or text me at 913-312-1325. If you do not live in the United States, you can give a call or text through WhatsApp using the same phone number. You can also follow me on Facebook and like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, Tech_piano. Everything is down below in the description. And with that in mind, I'll see you all later in the next video. God bless you all, and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications and leave a comment down below. For questions, please send an email to info@TheTechPianoPlayerKid.com. You can also give a call or text at 913-312-1325. And don't forget to like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, Tech_piano. Black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.